Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of infantile hydrocele or congenital hydrocele. The patient is, of course, a male, aged about 40 days. You can see the massive hydrocele on the right side. In fact, the hydrocele is bilateral, but you are going to see the right-sided hydrocele. Infantile hydrocele is a build of watery fluid around one or both testes. It causes the scrotum or groin area to swell. A congenital hydrocele is one that a baby is born with. Hydrocele can also occur later in life for a number of reasons. You can see the testicle is seen in the superior side of this hydrocele, lying along the scrotal wall. A congenital hydrocele is one that a baby is born with. Hydrocele can also occur later in life for a number of reasons. The video is about congenital hydrocele, which are common in male newborns. The swelling from a hydrocele may look like scary, but it is usually not a great problem. Now, what causes the hydrocele? During the 7th month of fetal development, the testicle move from the abdomen into the scrotum. When the testicle travels downwards, it brings a sac-like lining of the abdominal cavity with it. The sac allows fluid present in the abdomen to surround the testicles. Now you can see the testicle, the right testes, and a massive hydrocele is surrounding the right testicle. At sonography, congenital hydrocele appears as an anechoic fluid collection surrounding the anterolateral aspect of the testes and sometimes extending to the inguinal canal or as a fluid collection with low-level swirling echoes, which are related to protein aggregation or deposition of cholesterol crystals. Now the joint hydrocele, as you can see in this case, both the testicles have joint bilateral hydrocele. Joint hydrocele has been defined as a hydrocele having more than 1 liter of fluid contents. Clinically, this is difficult to diagnose except by way of investigation such as ultrasound scan or surgery. A hydrocele typically is not dangerous and usually doesn't affect the fertility. You can see the blood flow in the testicles is normal. Now you are going to see the left testicle, and here in this scale the hydrocele is almost the equal on both sides. The volume of the fluid seems to be almost same. A hydrocele typically is not dangerous and usually doesn't affect fertility, but a hydrocele might be associated with an underlying testicular condition that can cause serious complications, including infection or tumor. Either might reduce sperm production or function. You can see the blood flow in this side is also visible. Now there are two kinds of hydrocele. Simple hydrocele. A simple hydrocele can form at any age. This kind of hydrocele doesn't get bigger or smaller. Communicating hydrocele is the communication hydrocele can form at any age, but it is more common in infants and children. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.